2, 3.
Swimming in your world, something spiritual. I'm born again every time you spend the night. 'Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Oh, too long. Oh, too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Oh, too long. Oh, too long. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. You bring me to my knees, you make me testify. You can make a sinner change his way.
Hello kuya, happy birthday kuya. Ginatunta magpadayon mga pag-alaga nilang sindong. O may kitsa na dya silang sindong o si ay kita naman yung silang Digi o si Dikoy.
2, 3, go.
Nay, happy birthday! Ay.
Wish na.
Ha?
Wish ni mo kay Anton.
Wish. Unta. Padayon siya siyang mayong kinaiya. Pagkaan siya o. Grasya sa Ginoo kay Butan.
Okay, thank you.
Wow, makuha na yun dito.
Go.
Happy birthday, Kuya! With the after sa iyong graduation na kay Happy Life o more blessings to come.
2, 3, go.
Hi, Kuya! Happy birthday! Thank you sa kanan ng imong gibote. Sorry po kung kanang permimiki at sa iyong mga manghode. Sa Kuya, happy birthday din. More years to come.
3, go.
Hi, happy birthday!
Sa imong wish ni kuya.
Yeah. Kuya, alam ko ba diba dito kaon kuya? Ano ba ako?
Chinchino! Honey ko!
Ang lapat ka din mo, hindi ko maganda kuya. Ito ni kuya, oy.
Ay!
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Salamat sa pagkuha na ako everyday sa school. Ano lang?
Sige na!
Ulo.
Happy birthday, Kuya na lang.
Sige.
Sige na. Tumukan. Sige na, happy birthday, Kuya lang. Sige na. Ikaw lang. Manaman ko. Ikaw ba? Sige na. Ikaw.
Go.
Ay, sige na.
Last na lang. Happy birthday
Sige na,
kuya.
happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Kuya, happy birthday! My one and only. Sige, okay. More power.
Happy birthday, Don't forget to drink your milk.
Amo siya mag-party sa AAP la.
Hindi.
Uli yun sa nila tubig, later na. Ngayon, daan pa ba yung kay buhat tulong sa balay?
Hindi nga
Mga plans na. Hindi na kasi pantay.
Go.
Jayton, on your 21st birthday, I have this message for you. Continue the good work you have started. I do congratulate you for being what you are. You brought the name of the Reyes. A good name, a good example to your sisters and brothers. I know how you love your mom and take care of her. Jayton, I know that you are one of those who have extended my life because I am happy to see you grow. I'm happy on the kind of boy you are. I hope you're being very good to your parents will continue. I look forward for your success, more success in your life. I hope I can see you march on getting the right woman for you. And I would like to congratulate you for such wonderful behavior. You should be an example to your sisters and brothers. To your sisters, Baka is brother. You're such a wonderful boy. You have all the God has given you. Handsome,
Malay mo bang brother yung sister yun? Brothers man.
bright, and let's see, hardworking. I know as you will move on your own life, you will be a very successful father later on. Jayton, God has given you everything. A handsome boy, of parents who provided you all what you want. Take care of them. For your Lola, you know how great is my love for you. We love you so much. Being our first grandson and bringing the name of your two Lulos, bringing the name of Joseph Anton. My birthday message to you, Jayton. Continue the good start that you have. I look forward for your success. And I keep on praying that God, you will be guided properly by God. You are a great gift to your parents and to us. We love you so much, and I hope you will continue what care you have shown to us when we visit you. You always show that you care for us. Yatod ba yung video to? We love you so much and take care. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jayton.
Jayton.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jayton.
Go.
Hi Jayton, Tita Mayat here. I haven't seen you for quite some time. So it's your 21st birthday. So, wow, you've been like this and now you're like this. Anyway, happy birthday. Have a good one. Have a blast.
Of course, dili lang yung mga family may mag-greet sa imo. Syempre, imo mga friends.
And where there is where I wanna stay.
Go.
Hi, Ton! Happy birthday! I wish you more birthdays to come and go to the world and multiply. Thank you!
Happy birthday! Saan mo maingon?
More birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come, then stay who you are, then stay matinabangon, then stay mahinatagon. Thank you and bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Anton. More blessings to come. Salamat kay Mayo kay kasamuas.
birthday, Anton. Hope more blessings to come sa imong family o sa uban pa nimo imong mga loved ones. Of course, we all, as your friend, always hoping for the best of you. Hoping na sa imong pag-graduate, makakita ka sa imong career, na imong gusto jud ka ng imong yung passion. Sa imong humble, sa imong pagkabuutan, and down to earth na pagkatao, and very responsible, ug daghan kay kog end, no? And very mo respect sa iyahang parents. Hope, Anton, na sa imong birthday, happy ka. Naalami din yung mga friends, don't forget that. And hope this small gift kanang makapalipay sa imong heart. Rot ka lang. And again, happy birthday. Seize your day.
And where there is where I wanna
Ton, happy birthday. Grabe, wag kita katong sinulog. Sayang kayo.
Hi, Bards. Happy birthday.
Go. Open.
Ay, ayan doon. Panday, happy birthday. Ayo, God bless. Very good.
Go.
Hi, Anton! Happy 23rd birthday, ha? 22 naman dahil ka, no? Bitaw, wish you all the best. Tapos, thank you sa tanan-tanan na imong nahatag sa mga bahala na yung mga ups and downs, pero nagyapon ka para sa mga. Bitaw, enjoy! Mama, chup-chup!
Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come and many more blessings. Thank you so much for all your kindness and for taking good care of our baby girl, Ayesha. Thank you very much. God bless you and happy birthday.
Joke lang. Hi, Anton. Anton. A stands for ambot, and for ambot na po, ambot lang.
And for notch.
Notch then T for Tintin, O for Otten, and then N for Notch again. Bas, wait. Rod. Bitaw arte. Wala ka mo. Birthday niya mo. Weird kayo na siya sa una. Ay, hindi naman weird. Kanang, hindi kami friends sa una din. Kanang, maulaw ko sa iya magtumuhagi kay. Ganun lang din. Later on, pagkauban na mo kay Marag nagkakot. Wala nga, I'm so happy. Except for I thought na different, pero hindot dahil nga pagkatao. And that's it. Wala akong gamahay. Ano nag-ilam niya ito? Rot. Wala kayo. Basta, happy birthday!
Dali yun yung mga video, wala na yung time. No, sorry kayo sa di na kita kasabay, di na ako kasabay sa inyo. Always na ako absent sa mga laag. Sorry kay boards, murag na others na jud ko. But karon sa mong birthday, no, I'll really do my best nga makauban ta ninyo. And happy birthday, no. God bless you more sa imong relationship, sa imong family. I know na kay mga struggles usay, but believe in success, no, karong 2013. More birthdays to come, and always remember, no, ako si Maki, si Gian, no, kami nilang Arnel, naragin mi diri para sa mua, no. And always be happy, no. Enjoy yung pagkabataan, but ayaw sa pagburus kay sa una atong sabot dira nga maglitsyon ang una makaanak ug maminyo. Ay sa kamatay pud gitong sabot nga litsyon. So more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Tiguang na ka, relax, sabi ka rin gabi, happy birthday!
and right there is where I wanna stay.
So, mao ni mga message sa imong mga friends na kitagpuan, yun kayo.
Your sex takes me to paradise.
So, para ending ani, summary, guys. Mao ni siya. Happy birthday! 22nd birthday. Tugwag na kay ka!
Bye-bye.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel